fitting video. This is the adjustable strap elastic. So this is our head elastic straps. Now this is my original design. This is where I started from, and then I've branched out with all the other variables. I have a extra large and a large size mask. I'm going to put them both on so you can see the fit on me, so you can kind of see. I prefer the extra large size. I feel like it has a better secure fit for me, but the large fits just as well. So when you first get your mask, there is a front and a back. This is the inside. You're going to see my tag down there, and you're going to see the nice soft padding up at the top. Turn it upside down and unclip. Go around your neck. Whoop, flip it on, and there you go. You should be hanging upside down with the inside of it or the back side facing out. And now it's nice and easy. You're just going to secure your nose, and to do that, you make the mask centered, and you just bend it out from the top of your nose out, like that. And that way, you're going to have a custom nose bridge that is actually making the mask sit on your nose, not hang on your head or on your ears. It's actually sitting there, doing what it should do. So now all you have to do is, I just add a little tension and adjust. And because of the elastic, it is really easy to adjust and have it nice and secure and a little giving. So then just take the bottom part, pull it around your neck, and tighten. And there you go. When you want to take it off, or if you just want to have a cup of coffee, I always like to do this one. There you go. You don't have to take off it, have it hang on an ear, have it on your ears down below. I've seen a lot of people doing that. Just have it hang there. It's nice and easy. You walk back into the store or back into work, over your head, and there you go. You're back in. You get to your car and you're done. Pop it down, unclip, and the mask is nice and secure and done. And then the other thing is, the settings are all yours. So now that you fit it, more or less, unless you change it, you can just snap it right back on, and it's even faster to just boom, boom. Let's see if I can do it fast. Yeah. And there we go. Now I'm just going crazy. The elastic is not, it doesn't pull hard. It's nice and forgiving. I love that. Feels great. Okay, now that you've seen how quickly I can put it on, I'm just going to put on the extra large just to show you the comparison. So again, I hang it upside down. I'm going to unclip it, put it around my neck, clip, adjust my nose. I prefer the extra large. I just feel like it covers my face for more protection. There we go. I wasn't holding it right. And then down. And there. You're going to notice it goes back just a little bit farther. And just pop it, boop, and off, and there you go.